Alright, this morning Seth and I are going to go ride our bikes to the skate park, but first we're going to stop and get coffee, and I thought I'd bring you along. Is that good? Yeah.
I think it's good.
Rigged up. Rigged up. It's too hot for hoodies.
It's too fucking moist.
It's too humid. Oh, it fits. We finished our coffee and now Seth's at the Vape Express getting some vape pods for himself. And the next stop is the skate park. While I was filming the clip of Seth doing the skid, I almost ate shit and my skateboard felt like this, but it kind of works better like that as opposed to that. More aerodynamic. So I'm keeping it like that.
Yeah, I always have to lean to the left. Whenever I'm riding.
So nice out today, man.
So good.
So good.
Perfect skate day and a bike ride.
We take like the back, neighborhood road to the skate park instead of the main road,
So
and
pretty.
it's so pretty out here.
Everywhere's so nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, the best slide too.
Too hot.
Fucking sweating my ass off.
We're moving to the shade. Over there.
Way too moist out here.
Too humid.
Humid.
Yeah, that's good. You can't help it that there's no run out here, man.
I can't fucking get out.
Like, look how much run out there is. There's literally like
One
2.5
more,
feet.
and then it's done. I don't care if I landed or not.
Alright, we're
Because that one was pretty good. I just want to see if I can get.
Yeah. It's raining, so we're leaving. Because we don't want to get wet.
So nice out today, man.
So good.
So good.
Perfect skate day and a bike ride.
It's a little bit wet. Woo! I got the camera in my bag because we're so wet, but we made it home. Board's drenched, dude, like my shirt. Seth is like dripping.
So wet.
Subscribe.
The fucking time.